Hey guys, so we're just going to talk real quick. Hopefully, I'll try to talk slow for you. We're going to talk real quick today about our regions of the world. We're actually getting into the nitty gritty. So, here is a quick overview of why we have regions of the world. Okay, so geographers have organized the world into different regions. So, you can't see the words, but you can see how there's colors on each continent, right? There's some organization here. We have lines of longitude and latitude crisscrossing the earth. We have blue for the ocean, for the water. We have ice in Antarctica. So all of these ways are different types of organization to mark regions of the world. The other way we do that is by naming them simply. So when you say Australia, we know where Australia is. When you say Russia, we know where Russia is, right? So we name them, we organize them, and that way we know exactly which region is where. Regions help us to think spatially consistently. So in a way of doing that would be if you say the Rocky Mountains. You guys know where the Rocky Mountains are, right? But if I say the Swiss Alps, well, guess what? You know, the Swiss Alps are not part of the Rocky Mountains, you know, by the name. And you know, just by thinking spatially, that they are two different areas on two different continents. If I say the Rocky Mountains and Sierra Nevada is a lot closer to the Rocky Mountains. You might not know that, but they are still a similar region or a part of the same region, actually. Okay, so it helps us to identify, especially when we're thinking spatially. So today you're going to go over the 7 continents. You know all of them, right? And then the 4 oceans, and maybe we'll get to the 7 seas a little bit. So what you need to do now is actually read your chapter. You're going to take a Kahoots. You're going to go back and look at that chapter a little more in depth, right? And you're going to answer those map key questions for me. All right, and then I want you to really pay attention because we're going to have a little review and quiz at the end of the week. You need to know your key terms from chapter 1.1 and 1.2. This is 1.3. So focus on this, get that work in. We'll do vocab and stuff tomorrow, and I will catch up with you tomorrow as well to make sure you don't have any questions, have full understanding, and maybe we'll go over the worksheets a little bit. All right, see you guys.